I'm Rakhi Kane. I came from Gujarat and I came in 98, married to an Aurovillian. I shifted to Auroville in 2000 and since then I'm here. And my journey with ceramic had already started, but it continues. There is this couple, Ray and Deborah, who are the masters of ceramics. They came here 40 years ago and established their studio, and all the potters in Auroville here are their students. In Auroville we have the atmosphere of sharing and learning from them, and also the spirit of Auroville, which is so experimental, and we can do what we feel like doing, and it just provides that kind of grounding. So of course, the way Auroville is and the spirit of Auroville just makes us go on with what we think we should be doing. Actually, I studied painting as major from college, and as part of our first year design, we had to go to visit all different departments, and I went to visit ceramic department where my teacher Jyotsna Ben, she was giving finishing touch to a pot, and I saw it and I was super mesmerized, and I said I want to do this in my life, though I was a painting student. And then as a painting student I could do ceramics as optional subject for a month in a semester, and I realized that my passion is towards this material. I just loved the tactile part of it, and the feel of it, and I really thought that it involved everything. It involved my body, it involved mind. Then I was looking for a place where I could study ceramics, and I joined NID, National Institute of Design for Ceramics, and I studied industrial ceramics for 2.5 years after that. And then I came to Pondicherry to do a workshop. That's where I met my husband, and I followed him and came here. Actually, for a potter, I hate rains because it really affects my work. And as you know, all over India, amongst the potters community, potters don't work during these 4 months. They just finish their other works like marriages of their sons and daughters and some other things, and they don't work for 4 months. But for me, all of us potters here in Auroville, we are so fortunate to have a studios like this, and we keep working. I just managed to make enough clay for this month, and I can go on working during this month. So when you ask me what are the 3 words defining me as an artist, I would say passion, passion, passion. And if you ask defines my work, I think it's identity, Indian identity in my work.